Toy City, the ships with toys inside them.
And Kinder Joy.
Yes, one Kinder
Chick, chick,
Joy.
chick.
With my sister over here. You all know her. She makes a lot of videos. Okay, so let's get started. So she's gonna get one. I'm gonna get one. And you are gonna she's gonna. Let's just put this at the. So let's see what can we get. It's Simia. It is.
It's very zigzag.
It's like she too.
Wow.
You got a really cute,
It has piercing.
like this bunny thing.
Nothing.
Yeah. Well, of course you got two. If I get a thing, so you're gonna get two. Okay. So, okay, I'm gonna show it to you. It's like this. Like a little tall bunny. And here's my hair. And I can put it in my hair. It's really good. And oh my god, what are you doing?
Like me.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Yeah.
Like everything here. Okay. There you go. I love it. Okay. So she got the same thing but without anything. Just a band. Just like that. Until she opens it, I'm gonna. Yeah.
Is red.
Yep.
Red color. Is doing like this. Open and close. Is here.
Okay. Let me do
My hair. There you go.
to a side.
Like my sister. This is red color.
Okay. Those are really yummy, but I'm gonna put them aside. Okay. So here's our prizes. This and this. There are those. Oh, okay. So everything's good. Now for the Kinder Surprise egg. Okay, so she's opening it. A little bit to the camera. Okay. Open it to the camera. Opening it. No, open it. Open it. Let me help you with it. So
The toy.
here's the piece of the chocolate
And spoon small.
and this spoon, and here's the toy. So let's see what is our toy. Okay, so let's open this Kinder.
Wow.
Whoa, we got like the coloring thingy. There it is.
Whoa.
Okay.
I know it.
There's two versions of this. There's the purple one and the blue one.
Yes, I know the blue one.
Here, the purple one.
In the
Oh, you know it?
I know.
Okay, it's like a brush. Here it is. He's like a boy or something. And here's a brush, a real brush on top of him. Okay, and here's this like his feet. with two colors, green and yellow. Okay, so we put it like this, and then you get some water, and then you pick it out, you put it in the water, then you take one color. I love the green and the yellow. Yeah, my favorite colors are green and yellow. So put it like this, and then any paper, do like this. It's gonna color. Ooh, I love this thingy. But you need water. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so let's show.
The
And here
chocolate.
is the chocolate.
Show the chocolate. Oh, yummy chocolate.
Yeah, your chocolate. Here's the spoon and the chocolate.
Yummy, yummy chocolate.
Okay, so let's see what do we got today. We got this bunny, a clip or something. Don't know what it's made. So this, and we got also
I know.
another one, like this one.
This red color.
Or it's actually not red, not super red. It's orange.
Red.
Yeah, it's just orange. Okay. So we also got this purple brush colors
I love it so much.
and the chocolate. So you guys, this was all for today. I hope that you loved this video and you like it. And bye bye.